Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Understanding the Python Not Equal Operator, Equals, a Comprehensive Guide. Introduction. The not equal operator, represented by equals in Python, is a fundamental comparison operator that allows you to check whether two values are different. This tutorial will guide you through the usage of the not equal operator with clear explanations and practical code examples. Syntax. The syntax of the not equal operator is simple. Here, value 1 and value 2 can be any Python objects or variables that you want to compare for inequality. Examples. Let's explore some practical examples to illustrate the usage of the not equal operator. Example 1, comparing numbers. Output. Example 2, comparing strings. Output. Example 3, comparing lists. Output. Conclusion. The not equal operator, equals, is a powerful tool in Python for comparing the inequality of values. Whether you are working with numbers, strings, lists, or any other data types, the not equal operator allows you to make concise and effective comparisons in your code. By understanding and using this operator, you can enhance the logic and functionality of your Python programs. ChatGPT.